Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a wooden frame for photos at home. First, gather your materials. You will need wood, a miter saw for precise cuts, wood glue, and clamps. Choose a wood type that complements your photo and home decor, perhaps a light pine or a rich oak. Accurate measurements are crucial, so carefully measure your photo's length and width to ensure a perfect fit for your custom frame. This initial preparation saves time and ensures a professional finish. Now, let's move on to cutting and assembly. Using your miter saw, cut 4 pieces of wood, each with a 45-degree angle at both ends. When joined, these angles will form perfect 90-degree corners. Double-check that the inside length and width of your assembled frame will perfectly accommodate your photo. Apply a thin, even layer of wood glue to each mitered edge, then carefully join the pieces and secure them tightly with clamps for at least 30 minutes, or as per glue instructions. With the glue dry, it's time for the finishing touches. Begin by sanding the entire frame. Start with a coarser grit sandpaper, like 120 grit, to smooth out any imperfections, then progress to a finer grit, such as 220 grit, for a silky smooth surface. Next, apply your chosen wood stain or paint. Allow it to dry completely, then consider adding a clear protective finish, like polyurethane, for durability and a professional sheen. This step truly brings out the wood's beauty. Finally, let's add the photo and prepare your frame for display. Cut a piece of backing material, like foam core or sturdy cardboard, to the exact size of your frame's opening. Place your photo inside, followed by the backing. Secure these in place using flexible framing points or small brads inserted into the back edge of the frame. For hanging, attach a sawtooth hanger or D-rings with picture wire to the top back of the frame, ensuring it's centered for easy display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.